Hello, I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of experience and a test prep expert working with Study.com. In this session, we will focus on the FTCE Family and Consumer Science grades 6 through 12 052 exam, Knowledge of Parenting Subtest. My goal is to help you understand key parenting concepts and prepare effectively for this important exam area. Let's get started. According to the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA, students with learning disabilities must be educated in which of the following? A, most supportive environment. B, most adaptive environment. C, least restrictive environment. Or D, least different environment. A, most supportive environment is incorrect. It sounds good, but IDEA doesn't use this exact term. It's about support, but the law focuses on least restrictive. B, most adaptive environment is incorrect. This isn't a legal term in IDEA. Adapting is important, but IDEA's key rule is about how much the student is included with others. D, least different environment is incorrect. This isn't a phrase IDEA uses. The correct answer is C, least restrictive environment. According to the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, students with learning disabilities must be educated in the least restrictive environment. This requirement ensures students are not isolated from their peers and participate in the regular classroom environment as much as possible. Which of the following parenting styles is characterized by a high level of responsiveness to the child's needs, but a low level of demandingness from the child? A, authoritative. B, neglectful. C, authoritarian. Or D, permissive. A, authoritative is incorrect. Parents are both loving and set clear rules, so they are high in both responsiveness and demandingness. B, neglectful is incorrect. Parents don't respond much and don't set rules. C, authoritarian is incorrect. Parents set lots of strict rules but aren't very warm or responsive. The correct answer is D, permissive. Permissive parenting is characterized by a high level of responsiveness to the child's needs, but a low level of demandingness from the child. Permissive parenting often does not address a child's needs for safety or responsibility. Which of the following specific standards of quality set by the National Association for the Education of Young Children ensures that children are taught appropriate behavior and socialization? A, staff competencies, preparation, and support. B, assessment of child progress. C, relationships. Or D, community service. A, staff competencies, preparation, and support is incorrect. This focuses on making sure teachers are well trained and supported. B, assessment of child progress is incorrect. This is about measuring how children are learning and developing, not about teaching them social behaviors. D, community service is incorrect. This involves connecting with the community and giving back. The correct answer is C, relationships. The relationships standard ensures that children are treated by the staff with warmth and care. The children are also encouraged to display positive behaviors toward others. Eugene, a student with special needs, is able to explain his special needs and ask for help. He is also great at telling others what his strengths are. What is Eugene able to practice? A, self-influence. B, self-advocacy. C, self-accommodation. Or D, self-modification. A, self-influence is incorrect. This term isn't commonly used in education. C, self-accommodation is incorrect. Students don't create their own accommodations independently. D, self-modification is incorrect. This refers to changing one's own behavior, like managing emotions or focus. The correct answer is B, self-advocacy. Self-advocacy is when a student with special needs is able to communicate their strengths and weaknesses and know the limitations of their disability. Thanks for studying with me. For more practice, Check out our FTCE Family and Consumer Science grades 6 through 12 052 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Family and Consumer Science grades 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. Thanks for watching and happy studying.